Powering Earth with Sun's secret, the fusion frontier. Throughout human history, we have burned forests, mined gold, split atoms, and captured winds we have never quite replicated the most powerful engine in the universe, the sun. Now, for the first time, we are close. The future of global energy may no longer lie beneath our feet, but within our ability to control fundamental forces of nature through nuclear fusion. What is fusion and why does it matter? Unlike nuclear fission used in conventional reactors, where heavy atoms are split apart, fusion joins two light nuclei, typically isotopes of hydrogen, to form helium, releasing immense energy. This is how stars, including our suns, shines. Key reasons why fusion is a holy grail of energy. Limitless fuel. Deuterium can be exact Deuterium can be extracted from sweater. Tritanium can be bred from lithium. No carbon emissions. Clean, safe energy without contributing to climate change. Minimal long-term waste. Unlike fission, fusion produces no high-level radioactive byproducts. No meltdown risk. The fusion reaction is inherently safe. It stops if conditions are imperfect. Tokamaks, magnetic bottles of star fire. The challenge: fusion requires temperature above 150 million degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's core. At such extremes, matter becomes plasma, a fourth state that must be magnetically contained. Enter tokamak, a donut-shaped magnetic confinement device that uses superconducting magnets to keep plasma suspended and stable. Leading tokamak initiatives around the world. ITER, France, the world's largest tokamak backed by 35 countries including EU, USA, India, China and Russia. Expected to produce 10 times more energy than it consumes, 500 megawatt output. Construction milestone. First plasma test targeted for 2025 and 2026. Second, East China, artificial sun. Broke multiple records by sustaining plasma over 100 million degrees Celsius for 1056 seconds in 2021. Key contributor to future demo reactors. Third, Spark. USA, MIT, and Commonwealth Fusion Systems. A compact high-field tokamak using advanced superconductors. Aim for net energy gain with commercial viability in the early 2030s. Fourth, STEP, United Kingdom. The world's first fully operational prototype fusion power plant under development by UKAEA, expected to be operational by early 2040s. 5. India SST. ITER contribution. India is a core contributor to ITER, the independently pursuing steady-state tokamak developed for national energy goals. The cosmic equation, energy as the universal constant. At the heart of fusion, it is deeper idea that same natural laws that power galaxies can be harnessed by human intelligence. It is convergence of quantum mechanics, nuclear reactions, electromagnetism, plasma control, thermodynamics, energy conversion, cosmic order, recreating star-like conditions on the planet Earth. Fusion is more engineering, it is philosophy in motion, a proof that understanding nature deeply allows us to co-create with the universe itself. Challenges ahead. Fusion is not without any obstacles. Plasma instability, material endurance at extreme heat, energy efficiency of power extraction, high costs and long timelines. Yet despite these, nations and private innovators persist because the reward is civilization changing. Companies and labs leading fusion research. Commonwealth Fusion Systems USA, TAE Technologies USA, Tokamak Energy United Kingdom, General Fusion Canada, last First Light Fusion United Kingdom. What this means for you? Why you should why should an average citizen care? Because fusion could mean abundant clean electricity everywhere on the planet, decentralized energy access to uplift rural regions, no dependence on fossil fuels, gas pipelines, or foreign oil, a chance to reverse the course of climate change, not just delay it. In short, mastering fusion could power the next 1,000 years of human evolution.